Some significant characteristics of ancient Chinese civilization. I am Muhammad Usman from Moonlight International Publication House. Thank you for joining me here again. Today I will introduce the salient features of the ancient Chinese civilization. या जो ancient Chinese civilization थी उसके नुमायों पहलू क्या हैं, यानी उसके फेमस पहलू क्या हैं, वो किन आस्पेक्ट की वजह से उसे बहुत अहमियत हासिल है, बहुत फोकियत हासिल है दूसरी सिविलाइजेशंस के ऊपर. So there are different ways through which we can gauge the salient features, or you can say characteristics of ancient Chinese civilization. First of all, we talk about their trade activities. As we have discussed in a detail in our previous video, that they were famous in trading silk, in trading tea, in trading porcelain, and in trading different spices such as ginger and cloves. So if we talk about now their occupations, like we have also discussed extensively in the previous video, that their major occupation was agriculture. They used to produce different crops like wheat, barley, millet, and many other crops were also produced at that time. In addition to this, if we talk about their daily life was revolved around the house. Normally men used to work outside the house, while the women used to work inside the house, and they did multiple tasks like looking after their children, and many other things were attached with women when it comes to define daily life of the ancient Chinese civilization. If we talk about the religion of the ancient Chinese civilization, of the people of the ancient China, so we'll find three dominant religions at that time. One was Confucianism, second was Taoism, and the third was Buddhism. यानी कि हमें जो ancient Chinese civilization है उसका कोई एक मज़हब नहीं था. उसमें कन्फ्यूशनिज्म को मानने वाले भी थे, उसमें ताओइज़म को मानने वाले भी थे, उसमें जो बुद्धिज़्म है उसको भी मानने वाले थे. Even in modern time, you will also find the followers of these three religions. If we talk about the economy of the ancient Chinese civilization, we can say that the economy was based on trade and agriculture. यानी उनकी जो economy थी, that was highly based on trade and economic activities and agriculture activities as well. And the last point of this salient feature is about the writing script. Although if we look at the Chinese writing system, we can say that it is considered as one of the toughest languages of the world. यानी मुश्किल तरीन ज़ुबान समझा जाता है. और the Chinese script था उसको पिक्टोग्राफिक स्क्रिप्ट जो है वो कहा जाता है, जिसमें डिफरेंट सिम्बल्स हैं, जिसमें डिफरेंट साइंस हैं, या डिफरेंट सिंबल्स और साइंस के थ्रू जो है अपनी बात को चाइनीज़ जो है वो कन्वे करते हैं, आज भी कन्वे करते हैं. और इवन इन एंशिएंट चाइनीज़ टाइम पे भी, एंशिएंट चाइना के टाइम में भी, द पीपल यूज्ड different signs, different symbols to convey their message, and this system was called as a pictographic system of writing. So with this we can conclude this topic by saying that the Chinese civilization was very unique civilization. It was very rich in terms of economy, in terms of politics, in terms of art, in terms of architecture. It was really rich civilization of the ancient times as compared to the other civilizations. And I hope to see you with a new topic of history. Thank you. आपने इसमें जो लाइन वाइज